Hey, what's up, guys? Let's do a quick little update on the 53 farm truck. Wanted to show you what I got going while Nick's over here wrenching on the Impala. What up, though? Okay, so check this out. Since you've seen it, we've done an interior upgrade, and it turned out pretty unreal. This is leather, distressed leather that we got from Relicate Leather. We did German square weave carpet. We did completely kind of restored the dash back to original factory looking. It's all black. This is brown. Headliner, ABS one-piece headliner. Cleaned up what was the old factory cardboard material. Kept the stock seat frame, even though we did really modern high-density foam for these seats. Powder coated the frame black. I also, back in the back here, you can't really see that well, but back in here, a little bit, you can see right here, those are 6x9s. I put some speakers and a full stereo in here. We've got a 8-inch sub underneath the seat, got an amp under the seat, two 6x9s in the back, 5 1/4 up here in the dash, and then I did this cool little like Bluetooth marine receiver remote right there, really concealed, so like you can't even see that from anywhere from out here. So it's a hidden stereo, but it sounds so good. That's the interior of the truck. I think turned out unreal, and those seats are so comfortable. The next steps are we're going to actually blend in and cover up all of this old dark primer with original looking blue. So I'm gonna color that in so it looks all consistent. And I'm going to do it only on the spots that's the dark, so that it'll be back to all blue, and that's what it is. We've got the farm truck next to the 1-ton. That's a 51. That one farm truck's 53. But yeah, they're looking good. Summertime, so we've been out here getting stuff done. That's a quick little update on the farm truck.